कर बैठा है, गलती कर बैठा है दिल, गलती कर बैठा है।
नमस्ते जी, नमस्ते। तो कोई ऐसे ही गाना आपको सुनाई देगा as soon as you take a look at the syllabus for jurisprudence in your journey, in your 3-year LLB program or a 5-year LLB program, and you're going to be hit with this subject, which will be labeled as very dry, very uninteresting, a very, very boring subject. But let's try to induce some fun into it. So why exactly are we studying jurisprudence? And these two photographs will make it clear. So one is Mr. Stone Cold Steve Austin. Similar name, Austin's name you're going to hear a lot in jurisprudence, and that's not the wrestler. All right. Now let's start here. So she's Alison Tabitha. She is one of the foremost makeup artists, very, very popular and very, very skilled artist. And well, this is Batman's Joker. She is dressed as the Joker. That's how good her makeup artist skill is. All right, so she is the same woman here. So for some, now, अब आप देखिएगा आंखों की नजर की बात है. For some, she's a stunner of a woman. For some, she is his daughter. पिताजी तो कोई रहे होंगे ना इनके. For some, Alison, yeah, she's my cousin. ऐसे हटाओ बरे, नहीं उसमें कुछ नहीं आता. Like how cousins, we usually make fun of each other. For some, if you didn't know, basically, let us just hide this woman. And if you didn't know, well, who is standing, you'll be like, नहीं ये तो जोकर है, right? But when I've shown you, अब तो ये लड़की है, correct? So for her herself, basically, she is a human being first before being, let us say, looked at different relations, mother, daughter, sister, wife, and makeup artist, whatever role, she's a human being first. That is also, one more point. So there's a way of looking at things. Similarly with this guy, for some, he is a very good wrestler. For some, he's a very bad wrestler. For some, he's the most legendary wrestler. For somebody, he is their father. For somebody, he is their husband. तो वो जो गाना चला था ना, वो इसीलिए चलता है क्योंकि हमें समझ नहीं आती कि हम जूरिस्प्रूडेंस पढ़ क्यों रहे हैं, राइट? और अगर आपको ये समझ में आ गया, जूरिस्प्रूडेंस विल बिकम रियली रियली इंटरेस्टिंग. Now let us take a look at this. Okay, so I just reduced the brightness so that you could basically see this. So this is DPSP Article 37. What does it say? The provisions contained in this part, which part? Part 4. Shall not be enforceable by any court. Shall not be enforceable by any court. Okay. So now let's take a look at this. This is why pretty much we are studying jurisprudence. There are different schools in jurisprudence and each one को लगता है कि भैया मैं ही सबसे ज़्यादा सही हूँ. You remember that Rajpal Yadav wali meme? I'll just put it here. That's pretty much why we are studying jurisprudence. We want to know now what law is. अभी तक तो हमने बात कर ली. हमने क्या कहा था? You ask from a cousin who is she, they're going to tell her मेरी cousin है. You ask from a boyfriend who is she, मेरी girlfriend है. You ask from her, I'm a makeup artist, I earn my living as that and I'm a human being. You ask from him. So नजरिया बदल जाता है. तो इसलिए जैसे लॉ को भी अलग अलग देखने के नजरिए. We'll come back to Article 37 in just a bit. So we won't enter into the personalities of who belongs to which school in this lecture. We are going to start off. In the next one, we'll discuss the analytical school, then the historical, then the philosophical. तो अगर एनालिटिकल वाले हमारी एलिसन जी को देखें तो वो कहेंगे जी मैं तो वी आर गोइंग टू सी लॉ एज इट इज और वी आर गोइंग टू सी हर एज इट इज. वी डोंट केयर वेयर शी इज कमिंग फ्रॉम, वी डोंट केयर वेयर शी इज गोइंग, जस्ट टेल मी व्हाट शी डज एंड दैट्स ऑल दैट आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन. ओके. हिस्टोरिकल वाले सोचेंगे इसके दिमाग में ऐसी क्या चीज आई होगी दैट शी वांटेड टू बी अ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट. इनके पीछे से फैमिली बैकग्राउंड क्या है, व्हाट इज हर basically lineage, who were her ancestors. There is something more to this picture. The philosophical school will like, But makeup artist, makeup, are you getting into another identity? Stuff such as that. Ethical, then there is realist. Realist वाले वैसे हमारे TLY talks वाली series जैसे होते हैं कि we don't care about, your philosophical discussions about law. Just come and let us discuss the facts. Natural theory वाली, भगवान, ईश्वर, कि जी सब कुछ नेचुरल, हमने क्या बनाया है जी, कोई ऐसी कोई दिक्कत है नहीं. Then there are characters in such schools. So one such character is known as Mr. Austin under the analytical school. So he is given the positive law की theory. तो ऐसे ही जैसे हमने यहाँ पे कैरेक्टर देखा, तो वहाँ पे अब यहाँ पे हमने जूरिस्प्रूडेंस में पढ़ना है कि लॉ क्या है. अभी तक तो हम लॉ कर लिया हमने, है ना. अपने दिल की लॉ भी बढ़ गई होगी लॉ पढ़कर. CRPC है, IPC है, CPC है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है, लेकिन ये है क्यों और कानून एक्चुअली है क्या. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल एनालिटिकल स्कूल वाले कहते हैं if there is no sanction, if let us say there is no punishment, if the government can't enforce its own command, it's not a law. तो एक just it's like just morality है, positive morality है. It's like a toothless tiger or a snake without venom. So for them article 37, the one that I just showed you, अभी थोड़ी सी brightness बड़ी होगी, 37 is, कहते हैं कोई ये क्या बकवास है. You are saying this is not enforceable. हमें नहीं पसंद, हम तो इसको लॉ मानेंगे ही नहीं. हिस्टोरिकल वाले कहेंगे आ जाओ पहले जरा देखें कि आ कहाँ से रहा है. थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाते हैं कि ये कहाँ से आ रहा है. ऐसी क्या नीड रही होगी कि आर्टिकल 37 लॉ मेकर्स ने बनाया होगा. स्टफ सच एज दैट. रियलिस्ट वाले कहेंगे ओ यार हटा परे, 37 ये रहा, हम तो इसके बारे में बात करेंगे, दैट्स अबाउट इट. और ये इसकी रियल लाइफ एप्लीकेशन कितनी है, ये कितना इस्तेमाल होता है. Like for example, the realist school, if they were to analyze the Indian Constitution, they would be very, very interested in Article 39, Clause B, Clause C, because that is where the real fight of all our amendments and case laws up till 75 was. Natural theory वाले कहेंगे नहीं, पहले तो हम धर्म को एनालाइज करेंगे और जो इस देश में पीछे से चलता है उसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे. And we are going to, then there is also a concept known as spirit of the people. So depending on where the law is coming from, where it's going. So we need to be studying law from all of these different angles. यहाँ तक. And we are going to discuss them in each separate lecture under the LLBX series. Then जब हम ये समझ लेंगे कि इन लोगों के नज़रिए से law क्या है, then we also need to figure out law आ कहाँ से रहा है. कस्टम से आ रहा है, लेजिस्लेशन से आ रहा है, प्रेसिडेंट से आ रहा है. देन व्हाट आर द राइट्स, देन व्हाट आर ऑब्लिगेशंस, व्हाट आर ऑब्सेशंस, नॉट व्हाट आर पोजेशंस, नॉट ऑब्सेशंस, व्हाट आर योर ड्यूटीज. क्या है ये सब लॉ के अंदर. एंड दैट्स प्रीटी मच जूरिस्प्रूडेंस एंड दैट्स द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट फॉर अ LLM entrance as well. And that is why we are studying jurisprudence, so that this guy doesn't kick our butts, and then we are able to figure out who is who, whether it's really the Joker or whether it's actually a woman masquerading as a Joker, right? Actually in the LLBX series last year I had shot a couple of, I think about 7 to 8 odd lectures on jurisprudence, so I'm reshooting them now. And now let us further explore these ideas based on this. So we will start with the analytical school of jurisprudence and figure out their viewpoint on law. And this is a short answer that you will write in your semester regarding Mr. Stone Cold Steve Austin. No, John Austin. That's just those separate characters, and don't take my joke too seriously. Right? So for them, the analytical school guys, they want a command from a sovereign with a sanction. That's about it. So there is somebody, there is a superior, then there is someone who is an inferior in their system. Right? So for them, such DPSPs etc. तो लगे क्या है, बेकार law है, हटाओ इसको, हम नहीं मानते इसको law. And then we are going to figure out what law is from all of these guys' perspectives. And once you have figured this out, that why exactly are you studying jurisprudence, ऐसी कोई बोरिंग भी नहीं है. ठीक है, हाँ थोड़ी सी तो है, मतलब ऐसे आई वोंट एग्जैजरेट, बट ऐसी भी कोई बोरिंग नहीं, right? If you're taught by the correct teacher, I believe that's a pretty fun subject to study. Actually, subjects तभी boring होते हैं when they are taught to you by the wrong teacher. So hopefully this has been of help to you, right? See you in the next one. Take care. All the best.